Open what?
Yep.
Open it?
Jacob's opening his present from Silver Dollar City. From his grandma Sharon. Robbie, help him open it without tearing the bag up too much.
Pull it out. Pull it out. What is it?
What does it look like?
Look at its head. A giant snake?
Yep.
Oh, it's not the giant snake.
I know. What do you say to Grandma Sharon?
Thank you.
That is one big snake.
It got me. It got me. It got me. It got me.
Hey, just twirl around in circles. No, wrong way.
It got me. It got me.
Wait, ready? Ready? Alright, does it open? Dang it. Wait. You just got bit in the face by like a coral snake or whatever that is.